Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples from today's lesson. It's all about covering each polygon with unit squares. So the big thing that you guys need to know about for today is that when you're counting squares for a polygon, the squares have to be even. Think about what we learned with fractions. They have to be the same sized pieces. Okay, so let's look at these examples. For A, this would not be correct because you could see that there's this big square in the corner. We can't count that as 1 because really should have a line here and a line here, turning it into 4. Looking over at this square, that one looks very even. It has the same amount of rows and columns, but we're going to check all of our choices first. Looking over here, this whole left side looks great, but this needs another vertical line to separate those here. And then here in the middle, this needs a horizontal line because those are not equal sized pieces, are they? No, they're not. So B would have been correct. And then we're going to practice finding the area of that shape as well. So remember, to find the area of a polygon, the strategy that we're working on right now is counting the number of squares inside. So I would look at this as multiplication, and we're going to get into that a little bit later. But just because based on like what we know about with arrays, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. I could have also counted by maybe sixes. So I could have said 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. That would have been another choice. Either way, we get 36. And remember that we always measure area in square units. I do want to show you guys another way that you might sometimes see square units written. So that could also be written like this: 36, and might say units squared. And another way to say square is to just put a little 2 in the air. So if you ever see this symbol like this, that's a very common way to show square units. So this just means square. You guys might have seen that in Prodigy. I'll also embed a quizzes fun game for you guys to do on the Just for Fun page today, and you'll see this label for square. All right, good luck on the lesson today, and I can't wait to do. Have a great rest of your